Hello and welcome to a new Python tutorial video in which we talk about the Pandas library. Today we will complete our overview of data extraction techniques by learning how to isolate only the top or bottom rows of a data frame. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see on the left-hand side, we have our usual code for importing a data frame from a CSV file. So first of all, before extracting any data, we must discover how large our data frame is. In other words, what its shape is. So, as the name suggests, we can write print df.shape. And this will give us that our data frame has 40 rows and 4 columns. Now that we know this, let's assume we want to extract the first 8 rows. We could do this using iteration along with the techniques we saw in last week's video, which by the way you can find linked above. Or alternatively, we can simply write on the left hand side print df.head of 8. And there you have it. On the right hand side you can see that we have extracted the first 8 rows of our data frame, just as we wanted. Of course, this can also be done using the function df.tail. This, of course, allows us to select the last 8 rows of the data frame instead. Also, please note that both of these functions can also work without having to specify the number of rows to isolate. In this case, they would automatically select 5 rows by default. Now that we've seen how to properly extract data from a data frame, we will now look at how the index and column names can also be manipulated. This, however, is a topic for next week's video. Until then, don't forget to check out my previous tutorials and put your skills to the test with my coding challenges. Once again, I look forward to seeing you all again next week, and as always, happy coding!